आहेत बसले आम्ही तुमचे प्रेमेत पॅरेसतो विपक यायला वाचून व्यापक आमचे आवाज पळय पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी अरे चल्ला गे रे आमकां कांय समजना डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नावार आतां पळय कितें जाता हे
Door.
खींचे कोई दौर
दो बटे.
कैसा है शोर कैसी जिंदगानी जाने में हुआ कहाँ खींचे कोई दौर ढल रही जवानी जाने में हुआ कहाँ आवडतातले सगळे सारखे टेन्शन गिऱ्या घेता चोवीस सोड गिऱ्या पिता अरे कालचो पुतो तू पाल्याचा जाणतो तुमताना तू आयचो खूप पैसमतो आणि जग तुझी फक्त विन 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 स्विंगर बॅक मोमेंट बॅटमॅन गेम हॅज टू डस्टबिन झाला पण तू उजो कर आणि मी होता ती दोन्ही दोन वेळ तुझं हा कैसा है ये शोर कैसी जिंदगानी जाने में कहाँ खींचे कोई दौर ढल रही जवानी जाने में कहाँ. नमस्कार योकार माझे नाव अमित नायक आणि तुम्ही म्हाका पळयता माय गोवा नेटवर्कार. आयज आमचो सामको स्पेशल गेस्ट पिफक डिकोस्टा फ्रॉम वास्को.
Oh sweet love, where are you? 'Cause in my heart I'm still with you. क्या ये नजारे हैं, रिश्ते पुराने हैं, यूं तो जिंदगी अजीब है.
आणि गोंयकारांक आमच्या खबर ना आमचे गोंयचे म्युझिशियन खंय खंय पावले ते आमी सगळे जाणून घेतले. बाब आमचो वास्कोचो. प्रिफर वेलकम.
Hi, thanks Amit.
Hi. So most people don't know how Goan talent, Goan musicians are growing, first of all.
Yeah.
And secondly, they are never there to celebrate their success. So I'd like to begin this show by telling you all that in IIT Bombay 2 months back, there was a all India competition for in that indie pop genre. The competition was organized in association with Universal Music Records also. And that competition Mr. Pifer won actually. गोंयचे आनी भायले खूब लोक आसले थंय खूब आर्टिस्ट आसले आनी तो जिखलो ते आनी तेका आतां युनिवर्सल रेकॉर्ड्साची डील सुद्दां मेळ्ळी. फुडलो तेजो आतां युनिवर्सल रेकॉर्डिंग तेंच्या आतां ट्रॅकूय येवपाचो आनी हे ते. सो दीस पीपल शूड नो. Pifer, tell me one thing, living it all, how was the competition, the feel, and all that?
See, first of all, I did not have much knowledge about what's going to happen there. So, like this call, they were like, before we want to like check your songs out. We've already heard your songs. Why don't you like participate? It'll be fun. You'll have to maybe come to Bombay and compete with the other artists. I was like, okay, this is something fun. And at the time, I did not know like Universal Music was also on board with that. So the little knowledge that I had, I just asked them, will there be crowd after all? Goyan like indie music are like all the crowd na, or not that I know of. So they were like, okay, there will be like 1,500 as crowd after all. I'm like, okay, for the crowd I'll come. And Motin like chikpa like I just wanted to perform. I needed a platform. So I was like, okay, let's do it. And then they checked my tracks and they liked me apparently. And they were like, okay, you're selected. There must be like other artists also from Goa who they must have checked for indie genre.
Okay.
And like they give me advance notice like after 1 month or day. So on that day we'll have to travel to Bombay and a competition will be conducted over there.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. So Paolo. Cost, travel cost me काय देऊन स्टे बीन हांवें म्हणलें नाका त्या थोडं बरं पावल्या बरोबर स्टेज मेळ्ळ्या बरं I गेलो. I met the other artists. There were people from Bombay, there were people from Rajasthan, Assam, Goa from me, of course. Me from Goa, of course. Jaipur. So the competition was conducted. It was conducted by Universal Music Group. Everybody were great in their own field. Like I didn't even think I would win it. But after a month, they declared that I got the title, and I was like, oh, okay, that's new. And I asked him like which song, because I had given them like 3 tracks of mine, and it was With You.
With You.
Yeah, and I was like, okay, this is something. And then they told me I'll get like gift vouchers from Hutados, and I got like 60,000 cash.
कोई सो मरे party.
And of course, the very important record deal, where one of my songs will be released through them. They'll take care of all the PR and everything. And plus, I'll get to choose one of their songs from the big list of songs that they have, and make it my own, and I'll have the rights to it and get the royalties for it. So that's something.
Why can't I be with you? Why can't I be with you? Why can't I be with you?
Makasam Bombay, IIT Bombay. I've heard the name, I saw the pictures. Worked with the essence of Salora, places. How was
Oh
it?
my God. Super packed, crowded, so many people. It's a huge, campus. Akavanali hunos pade. I think autos hotta. Baba, I think power auto mein na cholot gelo. The coordinator was like calling me, where are you? I'm like, I'm lost here. How to go? Where to go? Like there's no auto, and हमको bike पसंद ना देगा. So then I started walking, like exploring and all. A lot of people were like, I remembered my college days. And then I saw some artists were performing. Go to see, it was Jay Sean was performing that day. On the stage.
Like a lot of Khabana. Jay Sean, you know who is Jay Sean? His Down song, my favorite. It was like in top 1, number 1 list.
Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne. It was a number 1 for almost 3-4 weeks. Billboard त्यांना कळले आता आयज तू तेका पळयता फाल्यां तू परफॉर्म करतलो आणि आमी म्हणटले वा आमचो गोंयकार कळ्ळें मरे.
That's the dream.
And it can come true, sure. आणि म्हाका सांग With You, next song you have sent for the
Yeah.
recently you released the track,
Yeah.
and in the description also you had mentioned, I think, that it needs to be felt.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
I felt it, even people felt it. The response was quite good. What was the inspiration?
Inspiration was my heartbreak.
नाका शी कितें हे रे आनी कितें म्हणटलो आसूं लेट्स विश अ वेल फुडलें सांग फुडलें सांग.
So it's been a while since I had broken up, and like केन्ना येता न्हू there's the feelings and stuff. So it's good actually. I came up with a nice song from it, so I'm happy about it. So एक राती, like it was around 12 के जाले. I'm like, okay. I heard something. I'm like, okay, super sad now, all sad. And I was like, okay, let's pick up my guitar and maybe I can come up with something. And instantly, within half an hour time, I finished that song. When emotions are involved, and like
this I can agree.
time was not.
Some days you can sit for hours and you cannot even write one line.
Yeah.
When the emotions are overwhelming, ना जातात.
Yeah.
आणि म्हाका सांग आता हे तुवें ब्रेकअप जावन आणि ती पयलीची आसली शी कॉल्ड मी ऑन द क्रिसमस एंड दॅट वाज अ रोमॅन्टिक. सो तेन्ना ते जाल्लो तेंगे येस म्हटलेले
ना तेन्ना ब्रेकअप फेजूच जालो.
अरे मग केन्ना ग्लोरी केस केन्ना आसले
ग्लोरी केस येवना केन्ना.
अरे all the single they get now. Listen, this fellow is saying that he never felt the warmth of love. But yaad ho raha, if you're watching this, if you want to know more about Quickwork, he's there on all platforms, Spotify, anything. Listen to his track. And music is a form of expression. Can you play something?
I can.
Yeah.
I chose indie music because, again, I didn't know like what genre I would fit in, so I was trying different genres and stuff, find my own style, because every artist is different. Every artist has their own essence and aura.
True.
So I felt indie music was close to my heart, and I chose to stick to it. And whatever like songs that I'm releasing are going to be all indie songs.
So yeah.
So this one's called Rahe.
Rahe.
I released this song before With You. So again, this song is very close to my heart because it was more about finding your own self and appreciating what you have rather than crying about what you have lost and what you don't have and everything.
Correct.
I mean, we only realize what you have lost once you've lost it. Otherwise, we don't, right? So,
Yes.
so this song was about celebrating that. So here we go. क्या ये नजारे रिश्ते पुराने यूं तो जिंदगी ही अजीब है किससे कहानी के हिस्सों में बातें हैं फिर भी कुछ तो सवाल है सुन लो जरा ये राहें क्यों ये खामोशियां भी सदाएं सुना सा है ये आसमां क्यों मुझे बुलाए ये जहां बिखरे जमाने हमने संभाले हैं इनको यूं ही सवार लो पुरज़े पुराने फिर भी न माने हैं हमसे जिंदगी ये जान सुन लो जरा ये राहें क्यों ये खामोशियां भी सदाएं क्यों सुना सा है ये आसमां क्यों मुझे बुलाए ये जहां क्यों मुझे बुलाए ये जहां
If you go to see, I don't know, I'm mesmerized. The lyrics, sorry, I don't know the lyrics. I don't know, but the depth and the I felt, man. And this is what every artist should aspire to do. So, before Magashan, since when you started this journey, or when you realized that you wanted to become a musician?
Actually, बहुत late realized Allah, because I never had this plan to become a singer-songwriter as such. Like, I had to like go out to study MBA शिकपाक गेलो Chennai. Then I worked. Oh yeah, Chennai Allah. So for 2 years, and then after I worked for 3 years. That's when my mother passed away, and then I break up with Allah. Plus, very toxic work environment. I was like not having it.
This was your healing.
Yeah. So not having it at all. So I had to like, I was so depressed. So I had to leave everything and come back. And then COVID is all. And my friend Joshua. So Tom Baba, let's do something. You got a good voice. Cover songs for YouTuber gal re. Tom Baba na, so quality then ma galba na kar. Like substandard stuff and galba na kar. If I want to do something, might as well like do it properly. And guidance bin kai na lo then. So एक friend आलो then cover song गायले and the quality चोड बरो आलो सारको. I'd like to mention him. His name is Sidroy.
Drummer रे?
Not drummer. He is a bass player, but music scene ना तो. So after saying that, I was like, okay, this quality is really good. I mean, इतना लेवा तो किश केला. So then he explained me about AI stuff. So you need a proper mic, you need a jack to connect your guitar and record and everything. So 10 to 30,000 किती आते ना आले आणि काय पैसे आले बँकात. So म्हणलं okay, let's invest. केलं माईक घेऊन गेलो मागीर did 2 cover songs आणि गायले YouTuber. That's when Milroy got to know. Milroy म्हणला बाबा I like your song, why don't you sign under me? आणि that's when he mentioned your name. आणि then म्हणलं like you also was signed under him.
Yeah. Why not you?
My to get contract, my complete
yeah,
and that's when he was like, okay, I want to sign someone new this time. different genre maybe. Let's try something else. And then I'm much Bilal, like, what is this? What is record label? Why is this guy asking me? What is he getting from it? Am I supposed to pay him something? I don't have any cash to pay him. So all of that. So I asked a few people. They were like, if you're losing out on anything, don't. If you're not losing out on anything, why not try it? So I took a leap of faith, and I said, okay, signed a contract, and did my first song. She called me on Christmas time again.
Oh, how would I have ever known if you hadn't called tonight? This is your Christmas song tonight.
A music video keller. So that got good traction. That was a very good experience, and that's how I realized, okay, you know what? Let's do originals. Yeah.
And it's good, Ray. Original boy. We're gonna live, we're gonna die.
Yeah.
But our music's gonna be forever.
True.
So we are evergreen actually.
Yeah.
We go to see. आणि तेका लागून बरे कोण कितले म्हणून आनी एक चांगली गजाल ती सारकी म्हाकाय पडली. There is no direction. कोण गायडन्स करपाक ना. And if you go to see, it's all about money gain right now. Money gain. You aspired tomorrow. You dreamed of becoming a musician in the maybe after adulthood marriage.
Yeah.
So पहिले song खंयचे तीन केल्ले आपले ओन कंपोज ते बिगरे याद आहे.
एक song बरयल्लें. It was shit. Not very proud of it. But it had a very nice melody, but the lyrics to it were pretty bad. I was not very proud of that. But after that, I started actually writing good songs. I thought that was my good song, but it was not. It was not. I will never have the heart to even come, release it.
So ते सगळ्याक दिसतात न्हू रे आता if you go to see your composition 3-4 years back composition आता म्हणटा आता तू कोण गेले आपण कितले चेंज करू शकता we could make better हे सगळे दिसतात न्हू. So yeah,
but I would never change anything about what has happened already in my previous song.
So that is what made you what you are today, no?
Yeah.
Emotional heartbreak कितें मग हेचे मग कोण demean करता ना थोडे तुका misunderstand करता थोडे I don't know, some people they want drama in their life.
Yeah.
And we are part of that drama without even doing anything.
Yeah.
So it is what makes life beautiful, no? If they were all happy moments, strawberry life असली, जाल्यार मागीर आमकां कितें आतां ज्यूस तू पिया आता पूण मागीर रातचे वेगळे सीन जाता आहले. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट सद्या तूं मदींच्यान म्हणटा हार्ट ब्रेक. म्हाका सांग इंग्लिशीन केलें ट्रॅक, हिंदीन केलें, गोंयकार मरे तूं कोंकणीन ते केन्ना करतोय?
Konkani, actually. There's one song planned called Hey You, Hey Moga, featuring Alison Gonzalez with JSF.
JSF
JSF.
अरे सांग ना मेरे.
So JSF is the one who's producing. Actually, the song was already made. They're ready. Producer. But then I'm like, nah, change करूया बड़ी. ना party song करूया, dance song करूया, गालियाँ beats भितर. अरे Alison and JSF गालियाँ भितर. Like it's going to be like English and Konkani mix kind of a song, and we're going to have like a very fun music video also for it. We're going to involve like a lot of friends into it, like have them dance and chill and stuff. So that kind of a vibe that I'm looking for this song. So time lala, dekha time gela. When it's a collaborative track, it takes time.
जाऊ केन्ना देर आहे दुरुस्त आहे पूण जावनी येवनी तरी केन्ना लेक जावं कितें जावं आनी आय लायक टू टेल ऑडियन्स ते JSF म्हणटा पळय जो फर्नांडीस फ्रॉम डेली आमचो उजो मनीस यूके आसता पूण ही इज अ फॅबुलस पियानो प्लेयर आनी गुड प्रोड्युसर आनी तेका केन्ना शाउट आउट टू हिम. लोकांक गोंयकारांक कितें म्हणून पळयला जाल्यार camera is yours.
Yeah, so if you have an art, if you are gifted, if you think you can do something, don't let anyone tell you can't do it. You very well can do it. Just have a little bit of faith. If you are getting a lot of appreciation from people, for example, I never knew I could sing or I could write songs. I should just sing. I should send like voice notes to people, my friends, and it should be like, you sing nice and everything. In this case, like I was in a hostel, I was singing with my guitar, and somebody outside heard me, and he entered, he knocked and he entered, like, bro, you have a very nice voice. You can do great in Bollywood also if you become a playback singer. You're that good. So I think that seriously, such people I should get like a lot, like all strangers. So I never took them seriously. I was like, I don't know if I'm good. Why should I even do this and embarrass myself? There are so many people, good people out there who are actually doing and who already got the name. But but all of this like took time for me to manifest, like finally accept that I can do it.
Ada, with this message, I'd like to conclude this by again giving my appreciation to Panaji Smart City for their background score. And we were here at Cremex, Cafe and Barista at Panaji. Thank you for them. आणि तुम्ही आमकां पळयता माय गोवा नेटवर्काक आनी हेजे फुडले सॉंग येतले ते फोन घ्या आनी ताका म्हाका लायक फॉलो करा आनी हें आनी गोंयचे बाबा अशेच गोंयचे म्युजिशियन गोंयचे सगळे मनीस वयर पावून जगान पावून आनी गोंय गाजोव. So, Prithviraj, thank you for
Thank you.
being a part of this. It was a privilege. कित्याक फुड्यान बाबा आतां आमकां फुड्यान बोल्ला आतां फाल्यां तो मर्सिडीज घेवन येतलो आनी की करून वयतलो हो. चल्ले दिसती येवच्या पयलीं आमचो असो हंबलनेस इज अ रे इनबिल्ट थिंग. You cannot adapt it. A person is humble right from the beginning. He doesn't become humble right after 20-30 years later. तेन्ना मागीर ते पर्सनॅलिटी प्रोजेक्ट जातात. But he's been humble. And I wish all the best. Like, फुडें हो तो आनी सगळें तें उदो ना सगळें जिखोन येवन. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Thank you. Seen a lot, but that ain't you. 'Cause in my heart, I'm still with you. Through all these years, I've thought of you. In every step I've walked it through. Oh sweet love, where are you? 'Cause in my heart I'm still with you. Why can't I be with you? 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 Why can't I be with you?